This is my beetroot and carrot pickle, which I've used the juice of 1 lemon and 1 lime. The lemon is courtesy of Kuvings Malaysia, as well as the carrots and beetroot. I won a mystery prize box, which was a box of fruit and vegetables. Actually, 2 fruits, lemon and apple. The rest were vegetables: turmeric, beetroot, and carrot. And this is my, well, I call it my pongal. Actually, it started off supposed to be another dish, but because I don't have an oven, so instead of cooking it in an oven, I tried cooking it in my pressure cooker. And instead of becoming the dish that it was supposed to be, it turned out to be pongal. Actually, it's not really pongal, but it's the closest thing to pongal I've ever made. Basically, pongal is a very thick rice porridge. It's so thick that it's almost like mashed potatoes. So it's got a stodgy consistency. So the tartness of the pickled beetroot and carrots goes very well with it. I've tried making pickles, vegetables, with kohlrabi, cauliflower as well, and cauliflower stems, as well as carrots. They all work very well as carrots. They all work very well. It doesn't work so well with cucumber or tomatoes or red capsicums. It doesn't work at all with wet vegetables. It works better with drier vegetables. Turns out to be more crunchy and yummy. So they go very well together. The tartness of these pickled carrots and beetroot, as well as this stodgy pongal. So this is the last of my pongal. I made it using 200 grams of rice, which in terms of volume was 250 ml. And it lasted, I think I've been eating this for 48 hours now. So next time I make it, I'll probably just use 50 ml of rice grains. Okay, that was yummy. Now, a little side note about carrots and beetroot. Many people find beetroot unpleasant, let's put it mildly. Some people even find carrots unpleasant, raw carrots. They first time they drink carrot juice, they don't like it. I think with all food, it's a matter of getting used to. So, there are some people who eat dogs and bats and frogs and whatever, and most of us don't. They're probably used to it because from early childhood they've been eating it or exposed to it. So it's not an issue for them. Food has a lot of cultural and religious overtones. So that having been said, let me say something about beetroot. As a child, my mom used to boil beetroot in vinegar and sugar solution and pickle it that way and keep it in the fridge. And whenever you feel like having a snack or something with nibble on these pickled beetroot. So I'm quite used to eating beetroots, but I know many people find beetroot strange. The taste a little too earthy. I've never eaten raw beetroot until I went to Peru in 4 years ago, in Iquitos, in a place called Casa Shipibo, where I did a shamanic retreat taking ayahuasca. So during that retreat, we had to go on a special diet, and we had raw grated beetroot and carrots as a salad together with plain rice. So that's how I got used to eating plain raw beetroot. Otherwise, there was nothing else to eat. So I got used to the taste after a few weeks of that. In fact, the retreat was altogether about 3 weeks. So by the end of it, I was able to eat raw beetroot, or in this case, pickled beetroot, without any problems. As you can see, the color is gorgeous. It's a nice deep maroon, and the orange of the carrots, you know, makes it very nice. These are cut into juliennes, which is a fancy French word for matchsticks, rather than grated. But I prefer juliennes because it maintains the crunchiness. If you grate them or shave them with a potato peeler, they become a little bit more mushy, and I don't like the texture so much. So food is not just about nutritional value or the taste, it's also about the texture and the consistency. Okay.